Good day. Today we're going to learn how to run a batch report that produces a multi-line pool report based on historical information using the traditional SRM batch reports, not the MVI batch reports, but the SRM batch reports. So first we'll be at our Easy SRM menu and we're going to go over to the batch reporting option, select it, and then SRM batch reports. These are the traditional batch reports that have keywords and control cards. And for the pool report, it's actually the SRM BR018. So we do a locate SRM BR018. And there is our default. So we'll edit this, just give you an idea what it looks like. So we have our pool, and then we have several control cards that we can set up to give us information from the databases. This information comes from the space databases, just like any of the normal views would, but it is a different format than what the views will present. So we can run a multi-line report. I have an example here, pool demo. So we'll edit this member and we'll scroll down. So our sysn is report. We've got a line count of 66. You can put anything in for your company name and a title if you want to. And then our first control card, which is pool, which tells us this is going to be a pool report. And then the names of the storage groups or SRM defined pools, a time limit if we want that, the scale that we would like to report the numbers in, and then how we're going to write this out. So in this case, we're just going to write this to sysout. The sysprint dd sysout is the asterisk, so we're just going to write it to the sysout of the batch job. We could write this to an output data set. And then at the bottom, we do have some MVI DDs for the BBACDEF, the view definition, CTDEF, our BBS live, so this would be our automation. So this is where the JCL is actually located, and our BB secure, which we do not have coded. It's not a requirement. So by default, this report would give you just a report for just this one storage group, CICS. If we want to add multiple, what we do is we just come down here and we'll just run all of these together. So name, CICS, put our comma in there, last hours. So this is going to be report for the last 2 hours, and a scale in gigabytes. And then sysprint is report print. Okay, so that should be it. We can get rid of 32, 33, 34, and 35. Now, since we want this to be a multi-line report, why don't we add some more storage groups? So I have some other storage groups that we're going to code in here. We'll just repeat this line 7 times. So we have USS, it would be 1. I have another one called work. We'll add TSO in here. We're going to add product. Do a little insert here. Product. And SVC dump. Get rid of the CICS. And system. And then we'll have one more. We're going to call the last one test. Okay. So we should get a report that each one of these will be a separate line. It'll give us some information about this pool and what it looked like 2 hours ago. All right. So this is based on our collection. We're going to sub this up. There it goes. And it's executing. And it finished with the condition code 0. So we'll just go in here and look at it. Let's just scroll down. Make sure we're at the top. There's our report. So each one completed successfully. All right. And then what we have is our actual report. So this is a pool report, pool snapshot report for, so we get our titles at the top, for CICS. If we scroll some of the information, so the percent full happens to be 8.5%. Let's see if we can't line this up a little bit here. We get our dates and times, not that important. CICS, USS, work. We get a graph, percent full. All right, so it kind of gives us some information. We didn't really ask for that, so it's going to be, it'll be a little asterisk. And so you'll see that this is 78.3% is USS. So you'll see these little dots, little asterisks go almost over to the 100% mark. This one being only 8.5%, two little asterisks. So it's way over here. But we get our total space, 31.71. This is in gig, 2.7. 2.7 is used. 29 is free. We don't have any idle space, and we have no partition space. All right. So, and then there would be some more information out here to the right. Physical sequential, VSAM, volume control. So, some more information. And if we scroll all the way down, we'll get each one of these. And then there's our last one. So the last one we did was test. All right. We didn't ask for any of this information, so it won't give us some of that. That's why they're in zeros. Okay. And that's how you would produce a multi-line SRM batch report. Thank you.